Well, it's Thursday, and that means it's time to check in with Chief Meteorologist Steve Caparizzo for today's Pet Connection Extra. Cap.
Thanks, Christina. We see our pets scratching all the time, and most of the time it's no big deal. There could be many reasons, including fleas. But if a dog scratches a lot in the same location, it could be an indication of an irritation. Believe it or not, something that benign could turn into a much bigger problem.
Hot spots are little skin infections, very common in the summer when the humidity and the heat hold all that moisture in their coats. And when dogs are scratching at themselves, oftentimes it can point to a little infection.
Something as simple as a bug bite could be the start of a more serious irritation.
Some dogs, if there's a bug bite there, if they have underlying skin allergies, can cause them just to tear at their skin and cause an abrasion.
Finding the hot spot or skin irritation may actually turn out bigger than you think.
We'll take them and we'll shave up that spot, and we'll usually find a pretty big irritated area, and we'll clean it up and apply some topical medication to it.
Cleaning the wound is the key.
So usually what we'll use is sort of a surgical scrub, but you can use soap and water at home if you were to find it, and you just scrub up the area nice to get all that bacteria off of it. Then you want to clean it, wash it, and let it dry, and then apply a medication to it. Sometimes they're so severe that we need to give oral antibiotics or oral anti-yeast medications.
Treatment is typically simple, but it's not always the case.
Typically, yes, they are very straightforward to treat. There are some instances where dogs who have such severe underlying allergies that this becomes a recurrent issue for them, and then we're forced with having to address the underlying reason that predisposes them to the infections.
Remember, dogs with long hair are sometimes more prone to problems. Proper grooming and brushing of long-haired dogs is important to keep matting at a minimum. This can hold in moisture and lead to bacteria and hot spots. So when you see your pet scratching, take a closer look. Spend some time looking to find the reason. It may be more than you think. Back to you, Christina.
All right, Cap.